So, look around. It's 2025. Having just one device feels almost like a throwback. You probably have a phone in your pocket, a laptop or desktop for serious work, maybe a tablet for media or light tasks. This isn't just a tech enthusiast thing anymore. It's how most of us live and work. Each device has its own strength. Your phone is your communication hub on the go. Your computer is the powerhouse for productivity. Your tablet hits that sweet spot, watching videos, reading, sketching. The challenge isn't owning them, it's making them all work together as one cohesive system. We've collected the best tool for each job, creating a capable but potentially messy personal tech ecosystem. This collection promises convenience, that's the dream. The reality for many is a digital headache. First things first, let's talk about physical organization. A messy desk leads to a messy mind, and the same goes for your digital life. Assign a home for each device. Your laptop might live on your desk, connected to a monitor and keyboard, ready for deep work. Your tablet could have a designated spot on the coffee table or by your bedside. Make it your go-to for relaxation and media. Your phone, of course, is your travel companion. Having a dedicated charging station for all your devices also helps immensely. This simple habit prevents the frantic search for a charger with 2% battery left and ensures your gadgets are always ready when you need them. Now let's move from the physical to the digital. Your home screen is your digital front door. Try to create a similar layout across devices. Use the same wallpaper and arrange your most used apps in similar positions. Put email, browser, and messaging apps in the dock or taskbar on every device. This muscle memory will save you seconds and mental energy every time you switch. Next up is app consolidation. Delete redundant apps and pick one primary app for each core function. Choose apps that sync, notes, calendars, and a single task manager, so your info is where you expect it. The single most important concept for managing multiple devices is syncing. At its core, syncing is what allows your data, files, photos, contacts, to be the same on every device. Instead of saving to your laptop desktop, save to a cloud folder so changes appear everywhere. Set up automatic photo syncing so every picture you take is accessible on all your devices. iCloud Drive, Google, Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox. Pick the service that fits your ecosystem. Open and edit the same file on phone or tablet moments later. Changes saved everywhere. That backs up your photos and makes them available from any device. Sign into your browser, Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, to sync bookmarks, history, and open tabs. Use a password manager so saved passwords autofill across devices. Read on your laptop, pick up your phone, and the same tab is there waiting. Choose notes and reminders apps that sync, so lists and ideas follow you. Calendar events and reminders should update across tablet, phone, and laptop. Pick a single task manager, jot a grocery list on your computer, and use it on your phone. This constant invisible background syncing keeps your information current and available on any device. It all runs quietly in the background, freeing you to focus on work or play. With all your data living in the cloud and syncing across devices, security becomes more important than ever. The first and most critical step is to use a password manager. Trying to remember unique, strong passwords for every service is impossible. A password manager securely stores everything and makes logging in on a new device fast. Enable two-factor authentication wherever it's offered, especially for primary accounts. It usually involves a code sent to your phone or generated by an authenticator app. Even if someone steals your password, they can't get in without your second factor. Universal Clipboard lets you copy on one device and paste on another, a tiny feature that changes workflows. Android and Windows users can use PhoneLink or third-party apps to achieve the same fluidity. If needed, email or message yourself. But make this a fallback, not your main workflow. These small conveniences make the space between devices feel connected and fluid. Choose your core apps, set up syncing, and organize both your digital and physical spaces. Take the time to secure your accounts with a password manager and two-factor authentication. The goal is to make your technology fade into the background so you can focus on what matters. With a bit of setup, your devices work as one powerful tool, freeing mental energy for work, people, and leisure.